What's up guys, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to make homemade bread palla. आज इस दिन दिखावांगे how to make homemade bread chaat. So these are all the ingredients that you need. Let's go over the ingredients that you need. So obviously we have white bread, Italian white bread. We cut all the corners, you don't need them. We have water. We have a little bit of milk. You're gonna mix that milk with the water, namkeen, homemade yogurt di lod hai, white salt, black salt, chaat masala, imli chutney, green chutney, and sweet chutney. These are all the ingredients that you need to make now we're mixing the milk with the water. पानी में दूध ना मिक्स कर रहे हैं. Gonna dip the white bread in there. So now we're gonna put yogurt, homemade yogurt. Some green chutney. This one is imli chutney. You can find in any convenience store, Indian store. Another green chutney. Now we're gonna put top of it sweet chutney.
Chaat masala.
Put some chaat masala.
Black pepper भी पा सकते हैं थोड़ा.
You can also, if you want, you can put black pepper. Now you put a little bit chips. You can put chips, or you can put these Indian style namkeens. And there we go, homemade Dahi bread palla or chaat is ready. It only took a couple of minutes. You can make in the comfort of your house within a couple of minutes, light snacks during a day. Here we go. Bread is juicy. Has a mixture of water and milk with all the spices on it. Spicy chutneys on it. You eat that. Mix it with the yogurt and eat. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Hope you guys like the video. Subscribe to our channel for more future videos. Thank you.